Imagine this. You open your eyes to a new day, just like any other. But as you move to sit up, something doesn't feel right. Your legs feel heavy, your balance unsteady. You try to stand, but your body refuses. It's not weakness from overexertion. It's not fatigue. It's something deeper, something that's been silently eroding your strength without warning. For millions of older adults, this isn't just an occasional bad day. It's a harsh daily truth. A creeping, quiet epidemic is robbing seniors of the one thing they can't afford to lose: muscle. And with it goes independence, mobility, and confidence. It's called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, and it's affecting people faster and earlier than most realize. The tragedy? It's largely preventable. Every hour, dozens of seniors, mothers, fathers, grandparents, are admitted to hospitals due to complications rooted in muscle decline. Not cancer, not heart disease, but a slow loss of physical power that goes unnoticed until it's too late. But what if it didn't have to be this way? What if the muscle loss that's been accepted as an unavoidable part of aging wasn't as permanent as we once believed? Cutting-edge research from Harvard Medical School now reveals something revolutionary. The decline can not only be slowed, it can be reversed. And the solution? It isn't an expensive drug, it's food. Real, natural food containing bioactive compounds proven to reignite muscle growth even in people well into their 70s and 80s. In fact, one little-known food outperformed several prescription treatments in a controlled trial, triggering new muscle development in seniors previously thought beyond recovery. In one study led by Harvard, 9 out of 10 participants showed measurable improvements in muscle mass within just 6 weeks. Medical professionals were stunned. The belief that muscle tissue could never regenerate after a certain age shattered. These findings are rewriting everything we know about aging and offering a powerful new strategy to fight back against frailty. So, if you or someone you love wants to stay strong, avoid falls, and live fully without relying on others, pay close attention. We're about to reveal the 10 most effective foods to preserve, rebuild, and protect your muscles as you age, with one food in particular that may just change everything. Before we dive in, hit the like button and subscribe to Aging Health Alarm, your go-to source for science-backed ways to thrive at any age. Let's unlock the power of nutrition and discover how the right foods can safeguard your strength for life. 1. Lean beef, your muscles' best ally. Lean beef offers one of the most concentrated sources of complete protein, delivering all 9 essential amino acids in a form your muscles love. With around 25 grams of protein in a 4-ounce serving, it's especially rich in leucine, the amino acid that tells your body to start building muscle. As we age, we develop anabolic resistance. Our muscles stop responding as well to protein. That's why leucine-packed foods like beef become more important, not less. Lean beef also contains creatine for improved energy, B12 for nerve health, iron for oxygen delivery, and zinc for tissue repair. Choose cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, and round, ideally grass-fed, and stick to 2 to 3 servings a week. In older adults, beef paired with resistance training produces greater strength gains than plant-based protein alone. It's not just muscle food, it's independence food. 2. Whey protein, the fast-acting powerhouse. Whey protein is a gold standard in muscle preservation. Its high leucine content directly activates muscle protein synthesis, even in seniors experiencing anabolic resistance. Unlike slower digesting proteins, whey floods the bloodstream with amino acids quickly, giving aging muscles the push they need. Studies show that seniors who take whey protein gain up to 40% more muscle strength compared to those who get their protein from food alone. Whey also contains peptides that improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support insulin sensitivity. For best results, consume 20-30 grams within 30 minutes of physical activity. Choose high-quality, minimally processed whey isolates. Even without exercise, whey helps, but with exercise, it's a game changer. 3. Fatty fish, omega-3s for muscle preservation. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines do more than support heart health. They also protect your muscles. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA, which enhance the body's response to protein and reduce chronic inflammation, a major contributor to muscle breakdown. A 4-ounce serving of salmon provides not only 20 grams of protein, but also boosts muscle cell sensitivity. Research shows seniors who eat fatty fish twice a week maintain significantly more muscle mass than those who don't. Plus, these fish are great sources of vitamin D, essential for muscle function. Aim for wild-caught fish 2-3 times weekly, or supplement with high-quality fish oil if needed. 4. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty muscle defenders. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds offer healthy fats, plant-based protein, and key minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium supports muscle contraction, energy production, and cramp prevention. Walnuts supply ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that combats inflammation. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, crucial for testosterone production, a hormone that helps preserve muscle. Vitamin E, abundant in many nuts, protects muscle cell membranes from oxidative stress. Eat 1-2 ounces daily, raw or dry roasted, unsalted, and rotate your choices to maximize nutrient diversity. 5. Beans and legumes, the underrated muscle boosters. Beans like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans provide plant-based protein plus resistant starch, which feeds gut bacteria. A healthy gut reduces inflammation, indirectly slowing muscle loss. Each cup offers about 15 grams of protein, plus iron, potassium, and magnesium, vital minerals for oxygen transport, muscle contraction, and energy. Seniors who consume beans 4 times per week maintain better muscle mass and mobility, according to long-term studies. Soak or rinse them well to minimize gas, and aim for 3 to 4 servings weekly. 6. Eggs, the perfect protein in a shell. Each whole egg delivers 6 grams of high-quality protein, vitamin D, choline, and, you guessed it, leucine. The yolk contains most of the nutrients, so ditching it means missing out. A study from the University of Illinois showed that whole eggs post-workout triggered a 40% greater muscle response than egg whites alone. Enjoy 1 to 2 per day, preferably in the morning when protein intake is often low. Eggs are inexpensive, easy to prepare, and incredibly effective for seniors looking to maintain strength. 7. Olive oil, the silent protector of muscle. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that reduces inflammation in a way similar to ibuprofen. This helps protect muscles from breakdown. Olive oil also supports insulin sensitivity and hormone production, key to preserving lean tissue. In a Mediterranean diet study, seniors who consumed olive oil daily experienced slower rates of frailty and higher strength scores. Use 2-3 tablespoons daily in cooking or salads. Store in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. 8. Berries, muscle-protecting antioxidant. Power. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries defend against oxidative stress and inflammation that damage aging muscle fibers. Their high polyphenol and anthocyanin content improves mitochondrial function and cellular health. A Tufts study showed that older adults consuming blueberries had better muscle recovery and performance. Add fresh or frozen berries to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. They're sweet, satisfying, and protective. 9. Leafy greens, blood flow and recovery boosters. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard deliver dietary nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, boosting blood flow to working muscles. Improved circulation means better recovery and nutrient delivery. These greens also contain magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which reduce cramps and support contraction. They're especially high in vitamin K, essential for protein metabolism. Eat at least 2 cups daily, raw or cooked. Your muscles and bones will thank you. 10. Greek yogurt. Slow digesting, muscle feeding. With double the protein of regular yogurt, Greek yogurt offers 15-20 grams of protein per serving, most of it casein, which digests slowly and provides overnight muscle nourishment. It's also packed with calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics that improve gut health and nutrient absorption. Eat 3 to 4 servings per week, especially before bed. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties and add berries, nuts, or a touch of honey for flavor. You have more control than you think. Muscle loss isn't inevitable. It's a warning sign and also an opportunity. The foods you eat today shape how strong, mobile, and independent you'll be tomorrow. By consistently incorporating these 10 muscle-preserving foods into your life, you're not just feeding your body, you're defending your freedom. So here's your challenge. Choose 3 of these foods to add to your routine this week. Be intentional, be consistent, and start noticing the difference in how you move, feel, and live. Have you tried any of these already? Have they helped your strength or balance? Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe to Aging Health Alarm for more proven strategies to stay strong, sharp, and self-sufficient, no matter your age.